What are we doing? Oh my God. Are you reading this? Are you reading what I'm reading right now? All I can say is we did it, wieners. With all of your help, 7,100 petitions, thousands of likes, and hundreds of comments have made this day possible. Okay? I hope you know that. It's because of you. I don't know if it's real. I don't know if someone's playing a sick joke on me. I hope it's not a sick joke. It sounds like we might actually go fishing together. I haven't actually been fishing and filming with Perrick probably since, oh my God, probably since last year of May. I'm actually headed to the Guggen HQ right now. I'm supposed to meet Perrick. Funny enough, I don't have a boat. We're fishing off of Perrick's boat today. We'll see how that goes. Weather's beautiful. Big bass are willing and ready to eat, and we're ready to feed them. This is huge. This is the biggest return in the history of just about anything. Anyway, I'll shut up. I'll put the camera down. I'm almost there. I'll turn it back on once we pull up to the Guggen HQ. But yeah, let's just have a day of it. Stick with us, stay tuned, and it's gonna be a heater. I feel like we filmed, oh my God.
Oh yeah, that is pretty tight over there.
We have to make it work.
We're through, we're in.
Yeah, but we still have a turn.
Oh yeah!
Hey, how's it going? Can I get 2 egg white grills, please?
Hi Maggie, can I please have 2 egg white grills, please?
So 4 total, and then
Maybe Maggie's number.
that'll do. Hey, is it chill if I destroy your drive-thru? Is that cool?
Oh wow, this is really...
There's absolutely no way I'm gonna do this.
Oh yeah, you're good.
I've never been so good, honestly. Look how good I am. Oh. That might not be good.
As long as you don't hit that wall.
I'm playing with fire. I don't know how I did that. I'm actually really impressed with myself.
I am too. That's gonna be hard up there. Morning stop?
Morning stop, Chick-fil-A. Gotta get the juices flowing. Chick-fil-A doubles down on the sauces. There you go. Things are heating up. It's looking good. We made it through the drive-thru. We got Chick-fil-A. We're about 7 minutes from the lake. And most importantly, we have Alex, which we've not really formally introduced back to the channel. The return is here. It's like the return of the Jedi, but instead of the Jedi, it's just Stinky.
You're just dramatic, and it was like I didn't go fishing for like
No,
2
dude literally fell off the planet Earth. I had to hire like a private investigator to track him down. Luckily, through lots of money and funds and of course all your petitions, we were able to secure the bag and find our little buddy. And today we're gonna go catch some fish together. So this is exciting. I'm pumped. It's just gonna be kind of a vlog style thing.
We're Alex the editor. This is where Alex the editor is. This is a good little bit here. Randomly on Friday night, this is what he says. Bro, you need a girlfriend. He got convinced into taking lingerie photos with his girlfriend or something. But Alex, no shit, I need a girlfriend. It's not that easy. It's not just like, hey, there's a girlfriend, come to me. Like, I'm Perrick. I don't have a girlfriend, but yeah. So that's the story about Alex.
For one thing at a time. Okay, 10-pounder, then a girlfriend. All right, we gotta take baby steps.
I truly believe today is gonna be
Good.
We might not catch a lot of fish, but if we hook up on some of these spots we're gonna fish today, there's chances that who knows how big these fish can be.
I've never come here and then not caught at least one fish that was big.
To be honest, I bet you old Bertha that I caught this spring.
She's probably 10 now.
She's probably 10 around this year. Get ready.
Get ready. All right, let's go fishing.
Hello.
All right, you excited?
I'm excited.
We're out here. We're out here. I must admit I did catch a fish off camera. I'm sorry, I apologize. What happened here? We just got blown off the spot lock, okay?
How about he's like a freaking giant.
Is there a better lure that you can throw on that thing, or?
Well, you don't like the route set?
Not really.
You don't like the clutch hook?
No, I mean, I like the clutch, just not in the snare you're using it. So we're out here. We've been fishing it for like 10 minutes. I decided not to film. I don't know why I decided not to film, but I did catch a little guy. He was all of a pound. We're on a nice little rock pile, and we're just gonna have to basically fish slow today. 2 days ago it was 73. This morning it was in the 30s. I don't really know what's going on with Texas, but it definitely feels like spring is around the corner, regardless of how cold and numb my hands are at the moment. We're gonna drag some jigs, throw some swim baits, maybe get a few schooling fish to eat the Alabama rig. See if we can maybe catch 40 something pounds of fish. That'd be nice. I'm actually using all of Peric's gear today. It's kind of nice. I don't have to do any hard work. No rigging of the rods. This is his boat, his rods, his reels, his line. So if everything breaks today, it's just kind of like no big deal. Just put it on AP's tab. Using a 7.5 Gold Series. It's a muscle. Great little deep water jig rod. We are in the zone. The boat is quiet. I really shouldn't even be talking right now. I'm just trying to find some fish on this rock pile. It is chunky down there. Doink! Water clarity is awesome. There's one. Got him. No, it's not that big. It's a little guy. Oh, is it? Is it? No, he's like 2 pounds maybe. He's fighting like a mule though. He's got spunk. Not bad. Oh. Did you turn the music off? There we have it. First fish on camera of the day for me. Probably about I don't know, 2 pounder, something like that. Second fish of the day, but first one we actually officially got on camera. Just a nice jig eater. He's actually, it's a lot warmer than you'd think. I wonder if it's warmer down, like feel the fish.
Oh, wow.
Isn't that weird? I would expect you to be freezing cold. Maybe it's warmer down below. I don't know. Nice bass though, on the 1/2 ounce gridiron. Bye-bye.
That was a really big hook set for that.
Like a tuna hook set, like GT. Big GT on top.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's catch him. Yeah.
Oh my God. Good one. Jesus freaking H. Literally running off with it. These fish are pulling. Oh, it's not bad. This is not typical for this lake, though. I will say that. Not a bad one, though. Mid twos. Woo! There we go. We've got some more meat in the boat, baby. Curious. Oh, you're curious? See how?
I mean,
see this fish? Just look at its shape. That's a future like 8 or 9. Now she's just so short and fat.
probably like a year old.
Yeah, this fish is probably like last year's spawn. Anyway, there we go. It's the third fish of the day on the gridiron. This is it. It's like literally my favorite tactic. This is my favorite jig to throw. 1/2 ounce or a 3/8 ounce gridiron football head jig, rotten pumpkin, with either a junior Kraken craw or a full-size bandito bug.
Muscle rod,
muscle
20
rod.
pound fluoro.
That fish was hooting.
Hooting.
Fish was hooting, my friend.
Fast gear ratio reel.
Gotta catch those. Dude, these fish are warm. It's so weird.
Okay, so the reason why we're rating this fish is because we know what 4 fish in this lake could be, and I would just be mad if we didn't win this.
So it's 2.6, so it's like 2.5 pounds, a little over 2.5 pound largemouth, and it's literally the shortest little thing I've ever seen.
Wait. Hold on.
So, just a little fun math here. Not even 17 inches.
16.
It's a 16 inch, 2.5 pound fish. Nice, healthy Texas LMB. I've noticed a lot of my bites too have come like on the initial kind of drop, or just not even really moving it. I'm in a immense amount of denial that it's not spring. This is like one of my favorite spring lakes, so every time I come here I want to fish shell, I want to fish the stuff that I know, but yeah, it's just not on right now. We fished some good stuff, even pushed off a bit too where those fish could be, and we got no bites. So it's been pretty slow for the past 2 hours, but we're back on the juice. We're doing a little bit of graphing. Look at that little fish right there. See him? Peric's got this cool thing on his boat. It's basically just a big old dong with a transducer on it. And depending on which way you move it, you can read in different directions. It's kind of a nice little fancy system. You can literally see the fish in real time. Imagine like an ultrasound. It's basically the same thing, but instead of babies, it's giant bass. I wonder what the whole story is behind this. Like, is it same kind of stuff as an ultrasound, or what? So we caught our 3 fish. Our goal was to catch at least 1 fish over 5 pounds today. We've yet to succeed, but we're not giving up. It's only 2 p.m. We got plenty of time. Are you using my jig, mister? That's my jig.
My setup.
That's my, yeah, but it's my jig. All right, hopefully we crank one. Wish us luck. Really? 34 feet. This is the move. I mean, I have to admit there is a lot of bait down there.
There's my jig. My jig right there.
Yeah, I think you're just going through shad though. I don't know if they're gonna want to eat your jig. I'm not convinced those are bass. They could be white bass. You gonna go? Do you have a like little spoon? Or? Hang on. Here we go. Alabama rig fish coming in hot.
Do a little bit of scanning.
Oh, I'm on. Good one. What the? What the happened? How deep are we? Oh, you know what? I think I've got the pump. Probably not good.
Nice.
Probably not good to hook the pump, you know?
No.
It felt like a bite. I thought it dragged super. There we go, just came off. Ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. You want to go over there and try to fish? This was neat though. I'm glad we got to check this out. Unfortunately, this is how today's ending. We're fishing. Well, now we're shallower, but we were fishing 34 feet of water for some sort of mystery fish. I think they're a bunch of lethargic white bass. They're too big to be shad, and there's too many to be largemouth. Today's been tough, very humbling. This is definitely one of my tougher days out in this lake. Did catch 3 fish, so I can't complain. Parrot, I guess didn't even get a single bite. I'm now looking back fortunate to even get the bites that I got. And feels like the later and later we got in the day, the less ideas we had, and we just kind of ran out of steam, if you will. We ran out of momentum. So we're gonna give it a few more casts, head on off the water, and then get ready for our next fishing trip. Actually, after this, probably gonna get ready for Maine. Gonna go back up to Maine for like 2 weeks. We're only there for 6 days. Barely even got to scratch the surface. So.
Oh, dude.
Yeah, you gonna come up?
That's really sick, bro.
You gonna come up to Maine?
Made this petition.
Don't you?
Made this petition and all this shit, and you're just like, all right, I'll come fish for 1 day and then I'm going back to Maine. Like, what?
Yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna like. I can't hang out with you that much. I like you, dude. You're a good friend, but I might go insane if I have to.
It is February 1st. We need those summer days.
I just want to make sure you still knew how to fish, and it looks like you don't. So.
I haven't got a bite. One
just
bite.
Bring your A game this March, okay? When I come back from Maine, make sure you sharpen all your hooks, check all your knots, tie all your leaders correctly, because we are gonna mess up. This was just a nice warm up. I know I mean, it is still so early. The water temp is freaking 49 degrees. It's chilly as all hell. So this was just kind of an opportunity for Perrick and I to get back on the boat like we used to do as when we were kids. Thank you guys for convincing this Jimmy to go fishing with me. I mean, all it took was what, 7,000 people to get you to go out in the lake with me? Not that much, right? Not asking much. You really don't have to twist your arm to get out in the water, do you? Catch you guys in a bit. Real sick.
Real sick, bro.
Hey, put her there, man. Absolutely crushed him. Just like old times, right? Just like old times when we were fishing in Illinois. Catch like 3 little bass.
That was amazing.
You happy you went out though?
I had a great time. Spent all day out in the water. Just wasn't the greatest fishing.
No. But like I said, it's early. We're not really there yet. In a few weeks, literally in a few weeks, we will be there. Spawn will be on and big fish will be dragging their nipples in the sand. What? This box has my name on it. Oh, nice. Swim baits. Frogs, that's what we were doing the wrong stuff today. Anyway, thought about closing out today's video right here, but I did make a promise to all you beautiful wieners out there. So I'm gonna go back home, get something done, and I suppose I'll meet you guys. They're gonna say goodbye to Perrick off camera, and we'll head back to the rigged ranch. See you then. Well, it appears that I have forgotten to wrap up this video. The most important part of this video and why this episode is so meaningful. Because of you, we made Peric fish again. With that being said, I made a deal to you and to Peric and to myself that if Peric goes fishing with me, that I would donate $1,000 to the Make-A-Wish Foundation, one of my favorite nonprofit organizations. Literally the one that I have been so passionate about since I started this channel. And I use a lot of money that I receive off of YouTube and, you know, Google Bait, stuff like that to put towards this cause. So with that being said, I'm on my computer right now. I'm actually up in Maine. This is very untimely, but hey, PP Ed. Here we go. And boom, there we go. Well, we did it. We got Peric out of the house. We got Peric out of the van. And we got him on some water. Unfortunately, we did not catch that many fish. It's still winter. It's still tough fishing. At least for me, I know a lot of Texas guys catch fish this time of year. I'm not one of them. It was a struggle today, but it was good to reconnect with an old buddy, a high school friend, and to do what we do best. And that is make casts, shoot the shit, and have a good time. But anyway, I urge a lot of you guys to do the same thing. I'm peacing out, signing out. Thank you guys so much for the view. And as always, folks, keep fishing. Never stop.